Hey there, I'm Hannah, your friendly Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler. Today, we're tackling one of the most common Excel questions. What's wrong with merging cells? If you've ever merged cells to make your spreadsheet look neater, you might not realize that it can cause a lot of problems down the line. But don't worry. I've got a simple, frustration-free alternative that keeps the same look without the issues. Let's say we have a table with historical sales data, and we've merged some cells for better formatting. This might seem like a good idea at first, but let's see what happens when we try to actually work with this data. Imagine we want to sort our data, maybe by date or by sales figures. But as soon as we try, Excel won't let us do it because of the merged cells. To sort properly, we'd have to first unmerge everything, which defeats the purpose of merging in the first place. Let's say we just received new sales data and want to copy and paste it into our spreadsheet. Nope. Excel won't allow it because merged cells block smooth data entry. Super frustrating, right? Selecting columns becomes a hassle now. What if we want to analyze sales from a specific year? Normally, you just select the column. But with merged cells, Excel selects everything around it too. It's like trying to pick up one puzzle piece, but the whole puzzle comes with it. Annoying, right? If you're used to dragging down formulas or values to fill a column, forget about it when merged cells are involved. Excel just won't let you. The better alternative: center across selection. If you're thinking, but I really want that clean merged look, don't worry. I've got a solution that keeps the aesthetics while avoiding all the headaches. Select the cells you would have merged. Open the Format Cells dialog box, Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Go to the Alignment tab. In the horizontal drop-down, select Center Across Selection. Click OK, and you're done. This method keeps the same visual effect as merging, but now you can. Sort your data effortlessly, copy and paste without issues, select individual columns with ease, drag down values and formulas, work with VBA macros smoothly. Hopefully, I've convinced you to break the habit of merging cells and switch to center across selection instead. It keeps your spreadsheets neat without all the roadblocks. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this trick on your own spreadsheet. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an Excel tip. See you in the next video.